a remote worker or a freelancer looking for remote work, here's another platform for you. So we'll be reviewing platforms that are hiring online workers now and then. So keep it here in case you haven't subscribed or you haven't followed me on social media. Please do. My name is Shelmith Kahu under Skyline Freelancing. So here we are at indeed.com. These are platform where employers post jobs. As you can see, this is Indeed for employers. They find their great hire here. So after the client has posted a job here, now it's upon the freelancers to apply for that job. So for us, we are here as a freelancers. So we click on find jobs. After you come to this platform, you need to sign up. You'll notice that for me, it's not asking me to sign up since I already have an account here. After signing up, let me mention that you need to upload your CV or resume. So after you've landed here, click on this icon here. After you click on the icon, then click on profile. It will bring you here. As you can see, my Indeed resume was updated on October 23rd. So here you can also improve your resume with the system's help. Then your qualifications, you need to tune the qualifications they will use to match you with the jobs. Then job preferences, you save specific details like minimum desired pay and schedule. Then you can also hide jobs and manage the qualifications or preferences used to hide jobs from your searches. Then we have skills tests. Take assessments to showcase your top skills and stand out to employers. Then ready to work, let employers know that you are available to start working as soon as possible. You can also help other job seekers by participating in the salary survey, review companies that you've worked for, review your certification programs, manage your demographic data. So after that, you will come and click here, that is home. It will bring you to this interface where you can be able to search jobs on according to the job title, keywords, or the company, whether you want a remote position or an on-site location or location job. So here we'll come here and look for virtual assistant jobs. We can click on that. Then our job is remote. Then we click on search. After you click on search, you will see that the jobs posted are here. But as you can see, the jobs that came up are from some days back. I usually discourage someone from applying for jobs which are than 24 hours old. I call them still jobs because someone might have already been hired or the job post might have expired. So when you come here, click on date so that you have the fresh job postings. So after clicking on date, you can see right now we have the fresh job post. This job was just posted 4 minutes ago. As you can see, I was telling you there's a lot of work online. So the minimum hours, they want 5 hours per week. These are virtual assistant post by Baudry. It's a remote work in Phoenix, I believe in Arizona. Then we have virtual dermatology medical assistant. The job was just posted right now. Then we have assistant project manager construction. That is also a remote gig. Then we have medical assistant. That is also a remote opportunity. Then we have assistant property manager. So I would encourage you to keep on searching until you find something that is good for you, a good fit depending on your skill sets. Let's say, for example, we want to see more details about this one. It looks more enticing. So when you click on it, you'll find that you will have more details on this job. They are paying $24 to $28 an hour. This is a part-time job or a full-time job. As you can see, everything is highlighted here. Boldry is a leading provider of remote executive assistant services, and they are seeking part-time and full-time remote executive assistant to support established Fortune 500 companies. So if you feel this is good for you, you click on apply. Sometimes you don't have to write an application letter. Starting on that job, it will bring you to the landing page, and you can get more details. So in case you get an invitation, I would encourage you to have your portfolio ready to showcase your skills, and also your resume either in a Word document or in PDF format. So if you would like guidance on how to get started on making money online, feel free to contact me. I'm an online coach. I have courses on making money online, and I'll guide and mentor you. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share this video, and also keep it here for more sites that are hiring online workers. So until the next one, see you then.